For those of you who missed the Samsung Galaxy Note series, well, you need to check this out because this is the latest Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is Samsung's latest flagship for 2022. So is this a Note or is this just another flagship S series? So for the most eye-catching feature this time for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will be this built-in S Pen, which on last year the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has supported the S Pen, but it doesn't have it built-in yet. So this is quite a big deal for an S series, especially when the Samsung Galaxy Note series has been dropped last year, as it combines the productivity and power into one, satisfying both users. Not just that, but the S Pen has been improved by reducing the latency lag from 9 ms to a whopping 2.8 ms. That's really a huge improvement, especially for those of you who write and draw a lot with it, making it seem more like a real pen and paper. Not to mention, you still have all those S Pen features like tapping the button on the S Pen for the camera shutter, switching cameras, opening shortcut apps, and more. Now when it comes to design, you can immediately see the similarities with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra here. This includes the flat tops and sharp edges even where the S Pen is located. But don't get me wrong, I totally dig the design for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra here, especially with the newly improved armor aluminium back cover and also the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. The whole matte surface here just looks awesome, and also the camera housing here really blends well with the whole design. Isn't it beautiful? Samsung's display never disappoints, even though it looks similar like its previous predecessor, but this time it comes with a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display and 2x adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, along with some other improvements. With the aid of the new Vision Booster, the peak brightness has gone from 1500 nits to 1750 nits, but it also consumes less power this time around. This is because the adaptive refresh rate, which previously only went from 120Hz to 10Hz, now can go even lower to only 1Hz. Speaking about battery, it still remains the 5000 mAh battery, and now it can last even longer compared to the previous Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is all thanks to the little improvements like on the display, software, and other little things too. It can also charge faster this time too with the 45W supercharge. But for the 45W adapters, you need to buy it separately though. Now for the cameras, it seems like the same on the hardwares, on the lenses, which includes a 108MP main, 12MP ultra wide, 10MP 3x optical zoom, and 10MP 10x optical zoom telephoto lenses on the back, and a 40MP camera on the front. But what's really improved here are the softwares, which includes enhanced AI technology powered by the new NPU to let more light in so you get a better night shots and videos. The auto frame rate feature, which the phone will automatically set the best frame rate for you depending on the lighting situation, and also the auto framing, which can detect and track up to 10 people at a time, making your video more dynamic. But because in this feature it uses the digital zoom, so your video quality might be reduced. You get what I mean? There's also a portrait mode for photos and videos even at night, as well as an expert RAW format. Even though you get the same sensors as I mentioned, but the pixels are 1.23 times larger than the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This means you get more light and sharper images. Even for the 100 times zoom photos, and also the image stabilization are improved. Now I'm not sure if you can see this, my hands keep on shaking, but the stabilization is just wow. And the other thing I want to talk about is the most exciting news. Yes, we are getting the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 with up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. So with that said, that concludes our video today. And for the price of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra here, it starts from 5099 ringgit for the base model of 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage. So let me know what you think about the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in the comments below. And if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm Joshua C. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!